element. First element 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. How do we do this? Woman Zaida. 1, 2, 3. Now with the right hand I will pull, and at the same time, if I want as a guy to make styling 4, okay? And then when I go to the side in break, that means I don't go with the body weight on the leg, I just make the break, I give the signal for the girl downwards, and the girl goes 5. So you do this, you start the motion from the elbow. From the elbow? From the elbow, you start down, and then you go cut in the air like your hand will be a sword, up. It's important that you put this finger up and this finger down, you put it like this, okay? And you go cutting, 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 cutting. Then here up you turn and you go down. So, guys, when you do this, allow the girl time to do it. Even if you want to go on the music. Okay, girls, if the guy's dancing on the music, be careful. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what happens? The girl finishes the styling. 6, 7. On the 8, I'm putting her body weight on her right leg and we go a little bit away from each other. Away. 8. I'm preparing this, away and together creates a very nice effect. We go away, together, and we finish. Okay? So that would be 5, 6, 7, 8. I go behind her 1, turn her 2, side 3, 4. Second element. Let's start it here. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how do we do this? Men Zaida while turning, the first 2 steps of the Men Zaida turning 90 degrees. 1, 2. Then I turn the girl, and the girls first need to close their leg and open because my leg is on the way. The guy is stepping now with the left, so you cannot move the right leg out of the waist. The girls need to close, open, free. Then the guys, in order to do this, we need to make power in our frame so we can turn the girl a little bit. 90 degrees. I'm on my left, don't go back. From here, guys, you make like a 90 degrees angle with both your feet, so you go free. Now you bring the girl in the circular motion and open 4. She's here. With the right hand, tips of my finger, I will give her first push and then turn. So it's push, turn. With the left, I support the turn, but my left hand goes away. 5 and... Good. How do we do this? Very easy. I'll give her signal, syncopation. The girl goes 1, 2, and watch. If I don't go with my leg as a guy with her in the knees and put my body here, I will lose her and she will pull me. Okay, so what do I need to do? While she's turning slowly. She's stepping. Stepping. My right hand is sliding on her belt but not disturbing her. She's stepping, and as soon as she's with the back with me, I go. With the right chest, with the hand, down, up, and hold her. If not, the girl will never make this leg motion, if I don't make the power. And then I can bring her a little bit forward, if the girl wants to be standing. If not, I just step in. Turn with the right hand, right, push left, stop with the right, close, basically. Third element, 1, 2, and 3. Sorry, mistake. Too fast, too furious. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How do we do this? Men Zaida first step, and I put the right hand to the side. So what do I do? From the middle of her back, I put the hand to the side, making like a corner. This allows me on the second step to push her away from me without me going with her. So I go first step together, change the hand, and now I push her away. And watch what I'm doing on the 2. 2, I'm already preparing for the turn. On the end, I give signal, multitasking guys. Leg, end, hand, end, how? The right hand from here, big finger goes there. Don't try to catch the wrist because it's going to be hard to turn. Here we need flexibility. So I go big finger here, quack, quack, and put it on my right shoulder. So I go end, leg, end, hand, and the most important of the ends is this one, catch. Okay, everything has to happen on the 2 end. 2 end. But this one is the most important one. Styling. 3, we're on 3, then make 4, then I go on my left leg. 5, I go on my right leg, turn and switch the hands, and then I go 6, 7, 8. For the girls, should be working perfectly if the guy does every single motion. I forget to say here that the guys need to put the hand up, and the girls go there. Important, girls, don't make the styling, because then you will have the hand closed, and then you will dance like this, and it's uncomfortable. Good. Let's make everything one time together. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, you don't have to do it that fast. Take your time. And 2, wait. I'm ready, and wait. I'm ready, I go. You don't have to make everything together. With music, saw.